right, another beautiful cloudy day in southeast Georgia. Another day, another dollar. I want you all to holler. Yeah. Let this forklift get on in here. Get that wood shaved down so we can haul it out of here. It's shaved down and kiln dried and all the other good stuff they do to it. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Anyway. Let's see what we got here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do a shout out today to Byscript Garage. While he was doing his little thing on his blog, I might have learned something. See, I have a Mitsubishi Spider sitting at the house. Went through the motor on it. Well, actually, it was leaking oil through the grommets on the valve cover. So I replaced those. Got it to crank back up. Test drive it, parked it. Wouldn't crank up the next day. So took the plugs out. They were let down. There wasn't no oil on them like they were before, but so I went ahead and put new plugs in it, put new wires, new coil packs, cranked it up again. It run, took it for a test drive, tested it out. Little test drive. It did all right, you know. Got back to the house. Well, the next morning I was gonna drive it to work. Well, guess what? Won't crank up again. All it does is start to crank, but it kind of sputters. You know, it doesn't really crank up. So anyway, I was watching him. I noticed that when I took the plugs out the second time, I was watching him. He pulled some plugs out of something he's working on, and it was bright white on the plug. He said that's a sure sign that the intake manifold is probably leaking. So that's what I'm going to check next when I get back to that car. So I just want to do a shout out. His blog is helping me. I am learning from it. So anyway, let me get this thing done. Giddy up, truck, come on. Giddy up. Yeehaw! Big truck rolling down the road. Southeast Georgia. All right, I'll let you go back to what y'all were doing. Y'all sure have a blessed day. Remember, keep it between the lines and the dirty side down. All right, bye-bye.